Tonight on Spike's Breezeway Cocktail Hour, we're gonna make a cocktail called the Saturn from 1967.
From space.
No, from 1967.
That too.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have Pinup Palmer back on the show.
Hi!
Remember you?
I think so. Well, I kind of remember myself. Hi, everybody!
She's back.
Hi!
Where have you been?
Actually, I've always been here. I've been hiding just in the back of your tiki over there, watching, waiting for my return. My Saturn return.
Joseph Galcini, a Filipino bartender also known as Popo, created the Saturn cocktail as one of his entries for the 1967 International Bartenders Association World Cocktail Competition. In 1967, he invented the X15 cocktail while working at the Kona Kai in Huntington Beach, but later changed the name to the Saturn after the Apollo 1 capsule fire killed 3 astronauts. So for this cocktail, we're going to be using lemons, falernum, how do you say that one?
Oh, great. Orgeat.
Orgeat, passion fruit syrup,
Passion.
and gin.
Look at this, too. You even got a cutting board with your symbol on
A
that.
dude made it for me.
I haven't been here in so long, so I don't know the things that you've changed.
A lot of things have changed. The breezeway has changed.
Completely.
Yeah.
Have you changed?
Mm-hmm. Much more sensitive now.
Great.
Cut a lemon in half, please.
We're going to cut the lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do it in the middle as much.
That's it.
It's okay.
Okay. Okay, just so you can see what's going on, we're gonna pour everything into this glass, and then we're gonna put it into a blender thing. What do you call
A
that?
blender.
Oh, well, what about this thing? What do you call that?
That is actually a really good question.
Thank you.
I see your point.
So this drink calls for ½ an ounce of lemon juice per cocktail. So why don't you squeeze 1 ounce of lemon juice into that?
Forgot how to do this. This is so embarrassing. Wait, which way does it go in?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This way? 1/2?
No, keep going.
All right.
And stop.
Stop. Are you sure?
A little more.
A little more.
Stop. Okay, so that is 1 ounce of lemon juice.
Can you hear my bangles?
Drink calls for 1/2 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup per cocktail, so 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup.
You have to do it passionately. I can't even open it. Hold on. No, wait. Why can't I open this? Booby trap that. You did that on purpose.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
What in the world?
Yeah, let everybody know how weak you are.
Go ahead.
Oh, you opened it.
So strong,
Thank
so
you.
full of vigor and passion.
There you go.
Keep going.
Perfect.
So passionate.
The next ingredient is falernum. We need a quarter. We need a 1/4 ounce per cocktail, or ½ an ounce for 2 drinks.
Yes.
So why don't you go ahead and open that?
My muscles are going to be swole by the end of this. For the falernum. How much?
½ an ounce.
I don't listen to anything you say.
No, no.
What do you mean ½ an ounce? What is that?
That's over on that side.
That's that side?
I mean, you're gonna be so careful.
Stop.
That was a little bit over.
It's
Are
a
you
little
okay
bit
with
over.
that?
I'm not okay with that.
Are you gonna? You're just gonna dump it?
Yeah, I'll dump it over here.
What a waste of falernum.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, sure.
Half an ounce of falernum for 2 cocktails.
Ooh.
Okay, the next ingredient is orgeat. It's like an almond liqueur. So half an ounce for 2 drinks.
Half an ounce for 2 drinks.
Yeah, quarter ounce per cocktail.
Okay, you're saying a lot of numbers there, and I'm not
Oh
smart.
my god.
That was perfect.
That's 3/4 ounce.
It is not. It is a little bit no.
You want to drink it?
I don't want to drink it. Look at that.
Okay, half an ounce for 2 cocktails.
Dump it in there.
I've never had this cocktail before. The Saturn.
Never? Is it
It's
the
supposed
first
to be phenomenal. Yeah.
Is this like the best tiki drink of them all?
I don't know. You'd have to ask Chat GPT that.
Who's that?
That's the computer from last week's episode.
Oh.
AI. It's a thing.
Wait, did they create this one too? Or no, is this
No.
just a traditional one?
This is from 1967.
Chet doesn't know anything. Is it Chet or Chat? Chat?
Chet.
Chet?
Chet would be funnier.
Chet? Chet?
What movie was that where his brother was Chet? Weird Science? Was
Is it Weird Science? Weird Science. Do, 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 do. Oh, I saw them in concert this year. They did not play that song, and it was like a Halloween thing.
Huge miss. 1 1/4 ounces of gin per cocktail.
Yeah. Oh. I'll do it, I guess.
Just pull it straight out.
Oh, it's a. That was such a good song.
It's been a long time. What do you think about corks?
I'm ignoring you. How much?
2.5.
2.5.
So just go up to the 2,
Uh-huh.
do a half. Yeah.
Oh, God.
Stop.
That's perfect. That's
close.
perfect. It's perfect. They don't know. Now, I'm learning.
Stop. It's way too much.
I will never be a bartender.
You
That'd be
You-
terrible. What do you want? Maybe.
Okay, so there's the cocktail right there. So this cocktail relies on blending. We don't almost do any blender drinks on this show,
No.
which is surprising because it's like a tiki cocktail show.
Very surprising.
And most people think that tiki cocktails are like blended sugary pool drinks.
Wrong.
She knows.
Well, what do we do now?
All right.
Blend it.
What we are gonna do is we're going to, that's already plugged in.
Oh, all right.
Would you?
Just trying to help you there.
Thanks. We want about 8 ounces of ice per cocktail.
Those are the good ice, too.
It is the good ice.
Little pellet ice.
And I'm gonna use the pellet ice because I think it's gonna crush easilier.
Easilier.
Yes. And then this will go into here. And then do the blender thing.
What do you mean?
Should we do it over here?
Yeah, show them. Show them. Oh, there's a. I forget there's another camera.
And blend.
What? What drink did you want?
Why are you yelling?
Well, the blender.
Okay, so this blender is probably from the same year as this cocktail. That's why I use this
I thought you were about to
blender.
say me from the same year as. Like, I'm not that old. I don't know why my mind went there. Anyway, it's what, Spike?
This blender is probably almost the same age as the cocktail. Judging by the color, it seems 1967s-ish.
Yeah, it's like a sage mint green.
I think they called it olive.
Yeah, olive.
I like your description better, but I think it's olive.
This is like mint. This is olive. That's olive. This is mint.
All right.
There's 2 tones here.
So I have 2 glasses.
Uh-huh.
We're going to use these, what is that, like a pilsner glass?
You're asking me?
We're going to use this gorgeous 1960s, 50s, 60s atomic glass. And then I have this one that we made the shark's
The crap
tooth
gas.
in. Remember?
Oh, that's the first one we ever did.
It's a bit of a-
Flashback.
When I got these glasses, I got rid of all the other ones and just kept one because I don't have any space.
You need to make space.
Space.
Space. Saturn. Bringing it all back together.
Yes. Very good.
Space, space, space.
Okay.
Not too much.
Oh no.
It's uneven. Cancel the show. Do you have to blend it again?
I
You
might
can't
just
do that.
Ooh, look at that. Perfect.
It's more frothy.
A little bit. Now, before we taste these cocktails, the garnish is like very special.
Apparently, because he kept it a secret from me, he didn't tell me what it was.
I did. And before we get into that, if you want to subscribe to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video. If you want to join the Patreon, I will send you this enamel pin.
No, please. Hit the like button, subscribe, do all that stuff. Click the bell to notify yourself that he just uploaded a new video.
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
see?
And also follow her on YouTube and Instagram At Pinup Palmer's.
Just
Okay.
Pinup Palmer, you'll find it. You'll find something.
Let's set this aside. Okay, so the trick with this garnish is that we're gonna cut rings.
Okay, I had a feeling I had to do
Yeah.
something with something round and ringy.
Why
Ring a
would,
ding ding.
why would we do rings?
Because it's Saturn. Saturn's rings. Space, 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 space.
Correct. Then we're gonna go ahead and like core these. Is that what you would call it?
Cut the middle part out.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, you do that.
Okay. You want you want this?
It's kind of cool.
No, you don't.
I'll just put it in my hand. I hold it the rest of the show.
Oh wait, that one's kind of a weird floppy one.
That's what she said. Make them bigger, less floppier. Careful, Spike. Careful.
Okay, and then the second one, we'll just go real quick. So we have the rings. We have these fancy luxardo chair. We have these fancy atomic. What do you
Okay,
call
those are
things?
cool.
Skewers
Stickum things.
from a bar above.
Something for a voodoo doll.
Okay. Let's put this in here for the meantime.
Those are dark.
Have you ever had these before?
I've seen cherries in my drinks, but I've never seen them that dark.
So what we're gonna do, here I'll let you do your own.
Okay.
Skewer that through the top. Well, you can go, oh my God.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then put the cherry on.
Ooh.
You see what's happening?
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh my God. No. Gross. Okay, here's your new cherry.
All right,
Don't drop this one.
I'll try not to. Okay, and we stick it. So okay.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You get what's happening?
I do.
Mm-hmm. And then go through the rest of the way.
Ooh.
This is a sloppy mess, huh?
Like that?
Oh, look at you with your fancy Saturn. Yeah, but put it in the middle.
What do you mean? Oh, the cherry. The middle. Oh!
You just now get it?
I get it.
Oh,
That's great.
yeah.
That's clever.
Thank you.
And pretty. Well, you didn't do it. You
Mm-mm.
just showed me how.
I didn't.
You didn't come up with it. Who made this?
This cocktail was invented by Mr. J. Popo Galsini. Why is that so funny? It's kind of a funny name.
It is a funny name. Now
Ta-da!
that is pretty. Okay, wait, we gotta do it in the atomic class.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. All right.
Wow.
And so, from 1967, and where?
Space, space, space.
This is the Saturn.
Ooh, it looks very cool.
It does. Cheers, Pinup Palmer.
Cheers.
We've all missed you for a long time.
Thank you. Like somebody did.
Oh,
That's pretty good.
it's really good.
That's really good.
I'm getting creamsicle vibes. Yes, no?
No, no, I'm not. I'm not at all. I'm getting citrusy,
Right.
but it's not overpowering. I do
Mhm.
taste the alcohol still.
Mm-hmm.
That's always nice because you want to know what your gauge is.
Mhm.
You don't want something tricking you, then you're like, at the bar 2 seconds later.
Yeah, you don't want that.
But I think it's great, and also with the added sweetness of the little cherry,
Mm-hmm.
because it's like kind of dripping into it.
Oh, it is.
Actually,
I don't know.
It's really sweet though. It's good. I like
It is very sweet, but also the passion fruit syrup is like
sugary.
sugary, fruity thing. And then the almond too from the orgeat. It's a very nice, well-balanced, tasty treat.
This is something that you want to drink on like a really hot day. Really refreshing, but it also has like a kick of alcohol. So like summer.
Are you just doing that so you'll show me your tattoo?
No,
She got a tattoo.
I got 2 tattoos.
like a biker.
I got that and that.
Huh.
Pink and spooky for those who know. For those who care.
People know.
In the summertime.
Okay.
I like it. This is good. Can I eat the cherry?
Mhm.
Look it up. Oh, that cherry's good.
You said you never had
Wow.
one of those before? I know, they're super
Holy
good.
crap.
Yeah, this is a great cocktail. It's light, refreshing. I think it's something that most anybody would enjoy.
Something that you could enjoy and maybe order a lot of.
The alcohol is there, but it's not an aggressively alcohol-y tasting cocktail.
No.
Make this one at home. Let us know in the comments below what you thought about it. And if you want to see more videos featuring Miss Pinup Palmer, then click on this link right here. There will be a link
Right there, huh?
Yeah. Aloha, folks.
Space, space, space.